Seattle in the Pacific Northwest is very rich in Irish traditional music, and Ceol Cascadia is just one organization that has formed here in the last 10 years. Well, Ceol Cascadia is a program of the Irish Heritage Club of Seattle, formed in about 2011 for the purpose of teaching and promoting the playing of Irish traditional music to all ages, young and old, and in between. And it does this in three ways. A year-round tune learning class for anybody playing any Irish musical instrument. Also, Ceol Cascadia puts on a week-long summer camp at Evergreen State College in Olympia. We bring over 6 or 7 seasoned musicians, instructors from Ireland, and a couple from around the States, so that you get a week-long of music in various instruments. And the camp will provide classes in the morning time, recitals in the afternoon, informal sessions in the evening time, and then a couple of concerts. And then thirdly, we try and put on year-round concerts for visiting musicians from Ireland or the States, so that our students here and people here in the Northwest can see really top-class players playing Irish music. The founder of Ceol Cascadia was Randall Bays, who is the artistic director and a well-known Irish fiddle player.
I've been playing Irish music for a very long time, and in the early 90s I was over in County Clare. I went to the Willie Clancy Week, and I loved it. So I came back and I wanted to do something like that, and in I think 2002, I got the Friday Harbor Irish Music Week going up in the San Juan Islands. That went for about 10 years. And then I wanted to get something going on the mainland in the summer so that kids could attend. So John Keane from the Irish Heritage Club approached me at an event, Irish community event, and just said, look, we want to support this activity. And I was honored to have that kind of expression of support. And I feel we've been very successful. We've drawn a lot more young people. We've brought lots of teachers from Ireland and had a lot of fun. And I feel like it's helped kind of put the music into our own tradition here in the Pacific Northwest.
So Randall, to foster the whole idea of Ceol Cascadia, you've put on a year-round tune learning class. Would you talk a little bit about how that has evolved and who can benefit from that?
Well, the idea was I teach tunes by ear, note by note, kind of in the traditional manner. And this was pre-COVID, so we were meeting face-to-face. And then with the pandemic, the whole thing has gone online. It's now done on Zoom. So geographically, it's expanded quite a bit. It's not just here in the Northwest now. So we have people attending these classes from all over the US and Canada now. I love how you're playing it. There's that one little phrase, if we could just get that a little clearer.
What I found with your classes is that certainly for older people who think these opportunities have passed in their lifetime, no, that's not the case. What your classes gave me the opportunity to do was to actually learn to play Irish dance music on an instrument, which for many years I didn't think that was ever going to be something I could do. And it's just a wonderful feeling that, yes, it is attainable.
I came to this musical style a little bit later, probably, than a lot of people. I didn't grow up playing the instrument, and I started playing probably when I was about 28, 29 years old, and eventually found my way to Randall and started taking private lessons. And that was a great way to get started. He was great with beginners, but he's somebody who has the expertise to teach at any level. Okay, try that again. Kieran, my son, he's 14. He's been playing since he was 3 years old. Both my kids started playing classical music and really started playing Irish music several years ago in preparation for going to Cascadia Irish Music Week. My husband plays Irish guitar, so all four of us can play together at times. And as a family, it's great to be able to have these tunes that we share together.
Playing Irish fiddle tunes with my mom is really fun because it's something we can like bond over. Because she doesn't play classical, which I play, so she's been teaching me kind of Irish music. The camp is honestly really great. It's during the summer. There's a nice tent that you can play tunes under with your friends, stuff like that. It's a fun thing to do.
The pandemic caused us to miss last year, 2020, but we'll certainly be back if we can, and we're possibly going to do something, maybe a somewhat scaled down version of it in the fall. I think all our crowd is into it. We'll make a way. We'll find a way to make it happen.
That's right, we will. We will.